Hello John, today I will show you how to insert a horizontal straight line in a PDF file using Foxit PDF. This is a PDF file and I will insert a horizontal line. Now select Foxit key sign option of menu and this is horizontal line option. Click here and click here, and here you can increase decrease your line size. Insert here another line. And it says like color, this color, and move in here, and we can change this line size and move in here. Use your keyboard arrow down, left, right arrow key. You can move and says color. Also insert another one, this color. Series. In this way, you can do horizontal line to a PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.